Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get a modded version of the game Bleach Brave Souls for iOS and Android, so let's get straight into the video. And to download it, we need to go to the site zoomods.com. This is a modded website, it's pretty cool. So let me just type it in. So once you're on the site, guys, you just want to type in Bleach Brave Souls, and there it is. So press on it. Now before it downloads the mod, there will be a verification you have to do, which is really easy. You just have to download 2 apps to complete the instructions there, 100% for free, and they're from the official app store. So I'm going to walk you guys through the process and show you how to do it. So let's just wait for this to go ahead and load here, as you can see. Alright, so it's going to download and we should be all set. So basically, guys, you will see right here that it says we need to do a verification. So you can see, please install 2 free apps. So there's going to be around 4 apps on this page. You just want to download 2 of them. Just press tap to install. It'll bring you to the app store and you download the app. Now make sure you read the instructions. You can see Family Island says reach level 10. Evertail says down and run for 30 seconds. So after you do 2 of the apps, you should have your Bleach Brave Souls mod. So I did the Family Island. So anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed and peace out. I mean, this is so insane. As you can see, Bleach Brave Souls modded version right away. So yeah, it fully works, guys. So I hope you enjoyed. I've been really just looking for Bleach Brave Souls hacks, and I haven't been finding much, but now I did the verification and this Bleach Brave Souls hack. So I'm in the US. If you're in another country, you're probably gonna have different apps. But anyway, guys, be sure to try it out for yourself. I'll see you guys in another video. But yeah, be sure to go ahead and tell all your friends about it if you like Bleach Brave Souls. You can easily install this Bleach Brave Souls hack. So yeah, it fully works, guys, for iOS and Android. So I'm gonna see you guys in another video. So yeah, be sure to go ahead and subscribe to the channel. So yeah, super cool, guys. Peace out.